Good morning. Happy Monday. It's Brett here, directors. Wanted to reach out with this week's market recap, sending it out here on a Monday for last week. Friday, I was down at the Core Summit. It was an awesome event for both mortgage and real estate. So got some great concepts out of there and tidbits I will be sharing to come. But today, wanted to focus on last week. So a 10-year note on Monday closed at 4.875. And by Friday, it was down to 4.558. Huge move last week. So, up a tiny bit today, 4.651 at the moment, but that's normally something we see, kind of some consolidation in the market. We see a big rally one direction, a little bit of consolidation back the other way, and then continues that movement. So the biggest driving factors last week, guys, of course, was the Fed meeting on Wednesday. The Feds did, in fact, hold flat. Other than that, the next day, Thursday, employment data came out, was a little bit light as well. So a couple signs in a row. I think the biggest piece is at this point, the market opinion is the Feds will not raise rates. I know there's comments from the Fed saying, hey, if we need to, we will. But most folks think out there from an economic standpoint, there's not going to be the need to do it. So a huge thing to see the Feds now multiple months in a row of not raising rates. We've seen a lot of other central banks in the same boat. So really, I think at this point in this, multi-year economic cycle, had a couple of years almost of straight up in interest rates from the Fed side as well as mortgage rates, and now maybe entering that plateau phase. So I think at this point, again, a couple of months so far of no Fed raises, we start to see multiple more months of that as the Feds kind of hit that holding stage of just holding rates steady, let the economy react and inflation continue to drive down. Then ultimately, this plateau phase or holding phase is followed by the decline. So I think there's still some time before we're going to see the Feds lower rates from their side, but even just entering this holding phase plateau will really let the market feel more comfortable and let mortgage rates start to improve some. So all in all, good news last week. Excited to see kind of how the rest of the year pans out. Other than that, have a great week here. As always, questions, scenarios, feel free to reach out. Thank you. Bye.